Our body is such a magnificent machine. When things go wrong, it doesn't really shut off without warning. Instead, it sends us little signals letting us know that something needs to be fixed. All we need is to be smart enough to understand those signals. In this video, I'm going to share with you over 20 such signals and symptoms. Watching this video till the end, you will have a clear idea just by looking at your body as to what your body is deficient in and how to fix it easily. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Vitamins and minerals are essential nutrients as they perform hundreds of roles in the body. But the truth is that most people mindlessly pop multivitamin tablets without knowing what their body is really deficient in. But the amazing part is that whenever you are deficient in a particular vitamin or mineral, your body gives whole bunch of signs and signals. Let us talk about some of the most common signals and more importantly, the natural ways to fix these deficiencies. Starting with cracking sound in joints. Do your knees pop when you bend them, or maybe the joints of your arm crack often? If yes, then this is a clear sign of calcium deficiency in the body. Of course, we know how important calcium is to maintain strong bones and teeth. Low calcium levels over a period of time can lead to arthritis. So how to fix it? First things first, do not waste your money on calcium sandos. Instead, include milk and milk products along with peanut butter in your diet. However, the most effective way to fulfill calcium deficiency is to have a pinch of calcium carbonate in curd on an empty stomach. Have it regularly for about 2 to 3 months and it will do what those synthetic calcium tablets can never do. Calcium carbonate, commonly known as chuna, can easily be bought from pawn shop or a nearby grocery shop. I have even linked it down in the description box. Next, if your gums bleed while brushing or even while eating, or your tongue often gets ulcers, cuts, etc., then you should understand that your body is screaming and telling you that it is deficient in vitamin C. Bleeding gums while brushing is extremely common, even though majority of people ignore body's this signal. What's happening at the cellular level is that even your arteries are bleeding. Make sure you act on this immediately as it can aggravate and lead to more serious issues of the vascular system. With vitamin C equal to that in 20 oranges, the best way to fulfill the vitamin C deficiency in the body is to include amla in your diet. Amla can be consumed throughout the year in the form of juice, powder, pickle, candy, etc. Other good sources of vitamin C includes lemons, guavas, oranges, capsicums, etc. Do you have weak brittle nails, or do you suffer from peeling cuticles? Maybe your hair is dry or you are facing premature hair fall. These are some very clear indications that your body is deficient in biotin. One common reason could be when you regularly start eating raw eggs. Biotin is made by the body using certain friendly bacteria in the gut. Whenever there is an imbalance in the digestive system, our body is unable to make biotin, due to which these symptoms come up. The best way to increase biotin production in the body is to increase gut-friendly bacteria. And there isn't a better probiotic food than curd. Have it empty stomach with 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder mixed in it to get the maximum benefit. Other good sources include pickles and apple cider vinegar. Check your nails. Do you have any small white specks on them? If yes, then this means that your body is craving for zinc. Zinc deficiency is very common among people who eat cakes, pastries and other sweets made of refined grains. Even though zinc is a trace mineral, but it is very important for both men and women. This is because zinc is required for male body to produce testosterone. So low zinc means low testosterone levels, which may lead to slow beard growth, low muscle mass, fatigue and even sexual immaturity. In women, especially during pregnancy, zinc deficiency may negatively affect the fetus and mother. To fulfill zinc, reduce your intake of pastries, increase nuts, seeds, lentils and legumes in your diet. Now let's talk a bit more about B vitamins. If you have cracked corners of heels or bloodshot eyes or ulcers on lips or cracking corners of mouth, it's vitamin B2 deficiency. If you find horizontal lines on your nails or you suffer from wandering eyes, it is an indication of vitamin B1 deficiency. Some people's nails turn brown. It shows a lack of B12 deficiency. Then if there is redness around nose, cheeks and foreheads, you need to supply the body with vitamin B6. The deficiency of B vitamins is very common and is linked to the problems of skin, hair and the digestive system. People deficient in B vitamins are more prone to body pains, anxiety and depression. The major reason for B vitamin deficiency is poor food choices. Stop excessively eating pizza, burger, samosa, pakoda, donut, pastry, chips, kurkure, biscuits, namkeens, wafers, etc. So what to eat? Eat ghar ka khana and your body will take care of the rest. Next, if you find your face to be pale, or the redness of your nails is turning white, or your lips are losing their color, then these are the classic symptoms of low iron and hemoglobin levels in the body. Iron and hemoglobin are interlinked as iron is essential for the production of blood. The best way to fulfill iron deficiency without doing anything extra is start using iron kadhai for cooking food, boiling milk, etc. Beetroots, carrots, pomegranates, corn, apples, they are very helpful in improving the hemoglobin levels. To improve the HP levels, it is also highly recommended to massage your body and exercise. Another very familiar signals given by the body shows up in the form of vertical ridges on nails or loss of eyebrow or puffy eyes. Do you know where the root of these problems lie? It's the thyroid. The thyroid hormone regulates your body's metabolism and the way your body utilizes carbs, fats and proteins. So any problem with the thyroid gland, it can create further deficiencies in the body. As the hormonal events are much more in women, they are more prone to these symptoms. Actually, a lot can be done about this lifestyle disease. To start with, eat wholesome home cooked food and exercise regularly. Then if you have uneven nails or your night vision is poor, then you should know that it is vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency could be due to congestion in liver. This is the reason even after regularly eating vegetables, some people face this issue as their liver is not able to produce enough bile to break down vitamin A. Vitamin A being fat soluble, in such cases fats like oils and butter should be included in the diet. Are you someone who regularly faces body cramps? This is a clear sign of vitamin E deficiency. You should regularly massage your body with almond oil. You can even mix a spoon of almond oil in milk at night. Another common signal is when your tongue turns white. This indicates yeast overgrowth and the issues with the digestive system. Avoid antibiotics. Eat cleansing foods like raw vegetables and fruits. Basically, for every internal activity going on in the body, it has some signal outside. The idea behind making this video was not to make you panic about certain nutrient deficiencies, but just to make you aware. These small deficiencies, when not acted upon, may lead to something big. At the same time, our body is very intelligent. It takes care of small deficiencies here and there. We need not panic. We need not go for synthetic tablets. All we need to do is eat a balanced, homely diet as much as possible. I want to thank Mamaearth for partnering with us for this video and continuously supporting this channel. To resolve your hair problems from the outside, try Mamaearth's Happy Head Shampoo and No More Tangles Conditioner. With biotin, amla and natural protein, Mamaearth's Happy Head Shampoo promises you healthy and strong hair. And with milk protein, avocado and shea butter, Mamaearth's No More Tangles Conditioner is for frizz-free hair. Free from all harsh chemicals, both these products by Mamaearth are for all skin types. To buy Mamaearth products, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 20% off on your order. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If yes, and if you would like to see more such videos, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Which of these symptoms have you experienced? Comment below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.